Napakayami. Hello mga lamyon. We tried to do pork barbecue here inside the house. Let's try this. Try this. If it is working or not. Wow. Like this. Oh. Wow. It's a bit hot. Wow. Just like that. Be careful. It's hot. I like this. First time I tried like this barbecue here. To know is it okay or not. Put a little bit salt. To make more tasty. Salt. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. Love song. It's so yummy. Napakayami. How many pieces? 2, 4, 5. So still have 2, 4, 5, 2, 4, 5, 2, 4, 5. Oh, becomes a 20. Not bad. Just want to try this. Dan. Ate May, Helly. Hello mga kalamion. Ganito talaga ang buhay sa Romania. Pag malamig, maraming trip. So we can try for barbecue here inside the house. If it is working every time, so I gonna do it. I put onion and bell pepper. Oh, I forgot. Mushroom is also the best for this, but let's see. Mushroom. It's so yummy. Napakayami. Wow, I love it. Like this. It looks like so yummy, guys. It's working. It's working. Yes, really. I love it. It's yummy. Wala tayong mataba na pork. Mas masarap yun yung barbecue. This kind of pork is from my brother-in-law of my husband. The brother-in-law of Romano. He gave to me, so this is very nice and special. Salt. It's wow. It's working, guys. So next time I'm gonna do it again here. This is working. Wow, working. Okay. I adjust the fire so that wow. This is the best because it's red onion. Oh my god, the other one is broken. The other one onion is falling down. Stick there. So I'm gonna move it. It's okay. So hot. It's very hot. Be careful. cannot hold this without this. It's hot. So later guys, I'm gonna show you after finish. So thanks for watching.